Hey, what's going on, y'all? We're back. I am going to do the second painting that I said I was going to do with the same colors that I was using before. This time I'm going to do it a little bit differently. I'm using the same light magenta, black, silver, and metallic white. I'm going to do the same basic idea. I'm going to do a pour, but I'm going to do this more like a hurricane pour. I did add some alcohol and a little bit of silicone. I knew I was going to use the silicone, and that's the reason why I put some paint down on the canvas just in case it went all the way through. But I put just a little bit of silicone, but I'm pretty much leaning on the alcohol for this one. So I'm gonna put it all in a cup, do a hurricane pour, and tilt it and see what I can get from it. So one moment, and we're gonna get this thing popping. Chill. Now for the close-up. I didn't love this. I'm just gonna be honest with you. I probably shouldn't have used the silicone. I should have just went with the alcohol and let it be what it was from there. But every time I go, I should use some silicone, I always regret it after the fact. And you know, that's not anybody's fault but mine. But everything just kind of got stretched out too far, and it's just weird shapes and blah blah blah. Probably mostly because of the size of the canvas that I used. And you know, and then a lot of the pink got washed out. So what I did, I had a little bit left in the cup, so I just kind of poured ribbons across it just so I could have more pink in the painting. All in all, it's not bad. It's just not really what I wanted. So I may make a third one with just alcohol, or I might try to just do something different, just do a flip cup with the alcohol. So let's take a close up. I do like the cells. The cells really came through mostly because of the silicone. The ribbons I just kind of poured across it because I didn't have a lot of pink left, so I kind of made lines throughout the painting in order to just get more pink in it. It's cool. It's just not the best, and I know I can do better than this. So maybe for the big one that I'm gonna do, I mean, of course I'm gonna, you know, these are practice paintings for my coworker. I'm gonna show them to her and let her pick which kind she actually likes the best. I'll probably show these to her and then do the third one and see if she likes the third one. So yeah, it's really cool. It's just not exactly what I wanted for the painting. So back to the drawing board. We're gonna get this thing popping again. Do the things like, share, subscribe. I really am having fun with these. It's good to be back, I'll say that. So do the things like, share, subscribe. Holla at your boy. Facebook.com/PTCAC. Peace.